Can your catalytic converter be stolen in less than a minute? Let's find out. Catalytic converters take gases and pollutants from a car's exhaust and make them less toxic, so your car doesn't poison the air. You must have a working catalytic converter to pass inspection. Thieves are interested in stealing catalytic converters because they contain precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These thefts have risen 977% between 2018 and 2020 to more than 14,000 cases per year. In the new Carfax investigation, we have reported catalytic converter service records from 60 auto body shops from 2019 to March 2022, and have compiled a list of the cars that precious metal thieves are targeting, and which models are most at the risk in different regions. We will drop part 2 with those lists later this week.